ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। You can chant these Karaka sutras. You can repeat. Karake
कारके
ध्रुवम् अपाये अपादानम्
ध्रुवम् अपाये अपादानम्
क्षित्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
क्षित्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
पराजेरसोडः
पराजेरसोडः
वारणार्थानाम् ईप्सितः
वारणार्थानां ईप्सितः
अन्तर्धो येनादर्शनमिच्छति
अन्तर्गो येनादर्शनमिच्छति
आख्यातोपयोगे
आख्यातोपयोगे
जनिकर्तुः प्रकृतिः
जनिकर्तुः प्रकृतिः
भुवः प्रभवः
भुवः प्रभवः
कर्मणायमभिप्रैति ससम्प्रदानम्
कर्मणायमभिप्रैति ससम्प्रदानम्
रुच्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः
रुच्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः
श्लाघनुङ् स्थाशपां ईप्स्यमानः श्लाघन्नुङ् स्थाशपां ईप्स्यमानः धारेरुत्थमर्णः स्पृहेरीप्सितः क्रुध द्रुहेष्या असूयार्थानां यं प्रतिकोपः
असूयार्थानां यं प्रतिकोपः
क्रुध द्रुहोरुपसृष्टयो कर्म
क्रुधोरुपसृष्टयोः कर्म
राधीक्ष्योर्यस्य विप्रश्नः प्रत्याङ्ग्यां श्रवः पूर्वस्य कर्ता अनुप्रतिगृणश्च
अनुप्रतिगृणश्च
साधकतमं करणम्
साधकतमं करणम्
दिवकर्म च
दिवः कर्म च
परिक्रयणे सम्प्रदानम् अन्यतरस्याम्
परिक्रयणे सम्प्रदानम् अन्यतरस्याम्
आधारः अधिकरणम्
आधारः अधिकरणम्
अदिशींस्तासां कर्म
अधिशींस्तासां कर्म
अभिनिविशश्च
अभिनिविशश्च
उपान्वद्भ्यां वसः
उपान्वद्भ्यां वसः
कर्तुरीप्सिततमं कर्म
कर्तुरीप्सिततमं कर्म
तथा युक्तं चानीप्सितम्
तथा युक्तं चालीप्सितमं तम्
अकथितं च
अकथितं च
अकर्म धातुभिर्योगे देशकालो भावो गन्तव्योऽध्वा च कर्म इति वाच्यम्
अकर्मक धातुभिर्योगे देशकालो बहवो गन्तव्योऽध्वा च कर्म इति वाच्यम्
गतिबुद्धिप्रत्यवसानार्थः शब्दकर्म अकर्मकाणाम् अनिकर्ता सनौ
गतिबुद्धिप्रत्यवसानार्थं शब्दकर्म अनिकर्ता सनौ
क्रोरण्यतरस्याम्
क्रोरण्यतरस्याम्
अभिवादिदृशोरात्मनेपदे वेत्ति वाच्यम्
अभिवादिदृशोरात्मने पदे वाच्यम्
स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता
स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता
तत्प्रयोजको हेतुश्च
तत्प्रयोजको हेतुश्च
up to that 1455 starting from karake iti adhikara sutram 23 to 55 covers the entire karaka related sambandhini sutrani. Yes. I think in the last class we were reading Sampradana Karaka.
No,
Have you
we
completed
have to see
Sampradana?
Adhikarana.
Adhikarana.
We have to see Adhikarana. Up to
Oh,
Adhikarana.
Adhikarana. Oh, okay. Adhikarana. Before that, Samskrita Bharati. Just we'll read quickly. Here also given nice explanation. Karan, you can apply what we have learned. Karta, Swatantraha Karta, 1454. Just now we saw. Swatantraha Karta. क्रियायां स्वातन्त्र्येण विवक्षितः अर्थः कर्ता स्यात् इति सूत्रार्थः. क्रियायां स्वातन्त्र्येण विवक्षितः अर्थः. स्वातन्त्र्यं नाम व्यापार आश्रयत्वम्. That's what स्वातन्त्र्यम्. व्यापार आश्रयत्वम्. व्यापारस्य आश्रयः कर्ता, कर्ता स्वतन्त्रः. So Karta is Swatantraha, important sutra from the Vedantic perspective also. So the independent source of action, that is Karta. Karta is completely free, independent. So Vivakshita means the speaker uses. The speaker says Devadattaha Pachati. Kriyayam Swatantrena Vivakshitaha. The speaker says he chooses Devadatta to be the Karta who is independent. Pachati. So therefore Swatantraha is Pradhana Bhuktaha. Kriya Siddhu Yaha Swatantrena Vivakshite Saha Karta. एवं च व्यापार आश्रय कर्ता इति फलितः अर्थः. That is what it means. व्यापारस्य आश्रयः यत्र भवति सः कर्ता. धात्वर्थः already we saw. फलं व्यापार च इति उक्तं पूर्वं. तत्र व्यापारस्य यः आश्रयः सः कर्ता भवति। यदा सूदः पचति, सूदः इस् कुक्, पश्चातोः अर्थः पाकक्रिया, पाकव्यापारः। सा क्रिया कुत्र अस्ति? सूदे अस्ति। तस्य व्यापारस्य आश्रयः अधिकरणम्। तथा च पाकक्रियायाः आश्रयः सूदः, अतः सूदः कर्ता। क्रिया कुत्र अस्ति? सूदे अस्ति। पाकक्रियायाः, दट् इस् व्यापारस्य आश्रयः सूदः। आश्रयः मीन्स् अधिकरणम्, लोकस्। सूदः इस् द कर्ता। सूदः वचति इति the speaker says. So the speaker's intention is to make the Sudaha as independent agent. Then Balaha Khadati, another example. Kadatoho Artaha Pakshana Kriya, eating action. Ya Kriya Bale Asti. Ataha Kriya Yaha Ashreha Balaha Ashreha Adhika Adaraha Adhikaranam Balaha. Ataha Balaha Karta iti. Vatuhu Likati. Likdatoho Lekana Kriya. Artaha Lekana Kriya. सा क्रिया वटौ अस्ति, अतः लेखनक्रियायाः आश्रयः आधारः अधिकरणं वटुः। वटुः कर्ता भवति। सूर्यः प्रकाशते, प्रकाशते इति प्रकाश पूर्वकाश धातोः अर्थः प्रकाशनक्रिया। सा क्रिया सूर्ये अस्ति, अतः प्रकाशनक्रियायाः आश्रयः सूर्यः। सूर्यः कर्ता। स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता। Karta is independent, not bound by anything. Agunabhutaha, pradhanabhutaha uchyate karta. Now karma. Kartuhu ipsitatamam karma. Ipsitatamam, superlative. 1449. Kartuhu kriyaya aptum ishtatamam. Ishtatamam, the word is derived from ishdatu. Ish plus ta pratyaya, you get a pratipadika, pratipadikam converted another pratipadikam by tadita pratyaya, tamaf pratyaya. Ishtatama karakam, karma sangyam syat iti sutrartaha. Kriyaya aptum ishtatamam karakam. By kriya, that which is most desired, that karaka which is obtained, that gives a sanya karma. Karta khanchit kriyam nirvartayati. He accomplishes some kriya, does some kriya. Taya kriyaya kinchit palam jayate, some result is born out of that action. Tacha palam yatra sambandham bhavatu iti ichati, tat karma sanyam prapnoti. Tat palam yatra sambandham bhavatu iti ichati. Tatacha karta swakriya prayojya janya palena sambandham ishyamanam karakam karma sangyam syat iti palitartaha. So, the result of the action, yatra sambandham ichati, that will take karma sanya. Keeping in mind the prayojaka karta gives a definition here. Tatacha karta swakriya janya palena. The result of the action which is born out of the kriya. Sambandham ishyamanam karakam. So, the palam, dhatu has got the palam to what he wants to connect to it. That will take karma sanya. Like an example, Sudaha tandulam pachati, pachdatoho vyaparaha palamiti, dhatoho artaha, dhatoho amshadvayam asti. Now, pachdatoho artaha vikliti rupam palam, tadanukula kriya. Kriyayaha ashraya karta. What about vikliti palam? Pakakriyayaha ashraya sudaha, ataha sudaha karta. Kartuhu sudasya pakakriya janya vikliti rupa palena sambandham ishyamanaha tandulaha. Ishyamanam karakam is karma karakam. So the palam which is in the form of softening the paka, the cooking, what is cooked, that connected to what, that takes the sanya, karma. By the action produces a result. The result is connected to what karaka? That karaka is called karma karaka. So, paka kriyayaha palam vikliti rupa palam kim karakam prati sambandham ichchati karta. Tat karma sanyam prapnoti. Therefore, Tandula enjoys that sanya karma. That is what he says here. Tacha palam yatra sambandham bhavatu. Tatra palam, that is dhatoho amshadvayam asti. That palam yatra sambandham bhavatu vichati. Tat karma sanyam prapnoti. Therefore, Tandulaha is karma sanya. Idam manasi akalaniyam. What? Atra sodaha pakakriyam nirvartayati, not nivartayati. Nirvartayati, it does accomplishes. Tandule vikliti rupaha vikaraha jayate. In the rice, there is the vikara, change in the form of softening. Swa pakakriyaya tandule vikliti rupa vikaraha, vikliti rupam palam jayatam iti ichchaya eva sodaha pravartate. That ichchaya sodaha karmani pravartate. That is why kartuhu ipsitavam karma. Because karma palam anudishya na mandopi pravartate. When karta does an action, definitely he must have, it may be desire prompted. So therefore that palam occurs in which karaka, happens in which karaka, that is called karma karaka. The palam kim karakam prati sambandham ishyate karta tasya karma sanya bhavati. And more example, balaha gramam gacchati gamdatoho artaha sanyoga palam rupam. One is anukula kriya, tadanukula kriya, other one is sanyoga rupam palam. Joining with the destination, reaching the place, that is a palam. Gamana kriyayaha shreyaha balaha ataha balaha karta. Kartaho balasya gamana kriya janya sanyoga rupa palena. The compound. Gamanam iti kriya gamana kriyaya janya sanyoga rupa palam. Sambandham ishyamanaha karakam karma karakam bhavati grama. Karta ichchati kim prati sambandham ishyati gramam prati. Ataha gramaha karma bhavati. Gamanam nama, what is movement? That also defines purva deshasya tyagaha uttara deshasya praptihi. Moving from one place to another place. Therefore, purva deshasya tyagaha, giving up the purva desha, the starting point, and attaining the destination. Uttara deshasya praptihi. That is gamanam. Balaha swagamanena grame swasanyogaha bhavatu ichchati. That is ichchati. Ichcha is therefore only he goes. That is why definition is kartuhu ipsitatamam karma. Every kriya is prompted by the ichcha, the desire. And the kriyaya janya, the rupa palam, kim karakam prati sambandham ichchati, tasya karma sanya bhavati. So ichcha is important. Chaitraha kupam khanati. Kandatoho avadharana rupa palam. Avadharana means disintegrating, splitting avadharana. Tadanukula kriyacha vyaparaha. Karana kriyayaha ashreyaha chaitraha. Atra chaitraha karta. Kartuhu chaitrasya karana kriyajanya avadharana rupa palam kutra vartate. Kutra sambandham ichchati karta kupam. Karta ichchati. Sambandham ishyamanaha. Kartuhu chaitrasya karana kriyajanya avadharana rupa palena. By the action, the palam in the form of the avadharana splitting, that sambandham ichchati, sambandham ishyamanaha कूपः अतः कूपः कर्मकारकं भवति. खंधातु दधातु has got palam to which he wants to connect to which karaka, that will enjoy karma sanya. So that kriya palam is avadana rupa palam ishtva karta karmani pravartate. The result to which karaka he wants to connect to, that will enjoy karma sanya. That is the meaning. Therefore kupaha karma bhavati. That is why the definition is very clear. Kartuhu ईप्सिततमं, most desired. भक्तः हरिं भजति. बच् धातोः अर्थः तुष्टिफलं रूपं. तदनुकूलक्रिया तुष्टि satisfaction. भजनक्रियायाः आश्रयः भक्तः, अतः भक्तः कर्ता. फलम् इस् तुष्टि रूपं फलम्. कर्तुः भक्तस्य, कर्ता हू इस् द भक्त, तस्य भजनक्रिया जन्य तुष्टि रूप फलं फलेन, by the result in the form of satisfaction by the kriya, bhajana kriya, for the karta sambandha ishyamanaha karakam harihi. So therefore harihi is karma karakam bhavati. Bhajanam nama pujanadi paricharanatmika kriya, puja etc. So paricharanatmikam kriyam bhaktaha karoti. Taya, the ultimate, the end is, the wish is harihi tushtihi bhavati. परिचरणात्मक क्रियया हरिः तुष्टिः भवति इति कर्तुः इच्छा अस्ति. Therefore किं कारकं प्रति इष्ट्वा कर्ता कर्मणि प्रवर्तते, तस्य कर्मसंज्ञा. हियर हरिं भजति. भक्तः भजनक्रियया हरौ तुष्टिरूपं फलं भवतु इति इच्छया खलु प्रवर्तते कर्मणि. Therefore Hari enjoys sanya karma. So yes, nicely explained each example. Idam avadeyam. This already we have seen. Dhatonam, sarvesham dhatonam artah palam kriya cha. Dhatavascha sakarmakaha akarmakascha iti dvida. So palam kriya, two amsha will be there for a dhatu. Dhatunam artah. And dhatus are transitive, intransitive. When the palam and kriya have got the same locus, then it is sakarmaka. When you have different locus, then sakarmaka. Pala vyadikarana vyapara vachakatvam sakarmakatvam. Pala samanadikarana vyapara vachakatvam akarmakatvam. Tatra sakarma dhatuhu yada prayujyate tada palam ekatra bhavati. It will be in one place. Locus ekatra means, sadhikaranam means one place. Palasya ashrayam karma. Kriya anyatra bhavati. Sorry, kriya anyatra bhavati. Palam yatra bhavati saha karta. Kriya is vyapara. Vyapara anyatra bhavati. That is karta. Palam yatra bhavati saha karma. Ataheva palashrayah karma iti uchyate. Kriya yatra bhavati. Who does the action? Saha karta. Ataheva kriyashrayah, that is vyapara ashraya karta iti uchyate. Yata sudaha tandulam pachati. Atra pachdatoho artaha vikliti rupam palam tadanukula kriya. Kriya cha. Tadanukula kriya kutra vartate kartari. Vikliti rupam palam kutra vartate tandule. Therefore tandula is karma and karta is sudaha. Viklitihi kutra vartate tandule. Ataha tandulaha karma. Kriya kutra vartate sude. Therefore sudaha karta. Akarma dhatuh yada prayujyate tada palam kriya cha kartari eva bhavataha. That is the difference between sakarmaka and akarmaka. Yatha chandraha vardate. So vriddhatoho artaha. One is vriddhi, two amsha, vriddhi rupam palam, one tadanukula kriya. Tadanukula kriya, kriyayaha ashrayaha chandraha. Vriddhi rupam palam kutra vartate tadapi chandre eva. Ataha etadvayam, etadubhayam api कर्तरि चन्द्रे एव प्रवर्तते अतः अकर्मक धातुः इति। then karanam sadakatamam karanam kriya siddhau prakrishta upakaraka most useful tool prakrishta upakarakam karakam karanasanyam syaditi sutrarthaha most useful that's with tama pratyaya sadakatamam yatra swavyapara samanantaram eva स्वव्यापार समनंतरम एव फलोत्पादकम तत्करणमिति फलितः अर्थः व्यापार समनंतरम फल उत्पादकम तत्करणम I think this is what Ashtadhyayi Pravesha also he has given. Samanantaram yasya vyaparasya samanantaram phalam siddhyati tat karanam iti. Samanantaram phalam yatra vyaparasya samanantaram phalam yasya vyaparasya yasya vyaparasya samanantaram phalam siddhyati tat karanam bhavati. Like the example given here, Ramaha Banena Ravanam Anti. Banena by the Bana. Samanantaram Palam. The Bana pierces the person Ravana and Ravana is skilled. That is Samanantaram Palam. So Vyaparasya Samanantaram Palam. What? Ravana is skilled. So that's what he given. Atra bhanasya sharira praveshana rupa vyaparasya. Vyapara, which is shari, the form of the bana entering the sharira. Bhanasya sharira praveshana rupa vyaparasya. The phalam is samanantara phalam maranam siddhyati. Therefore, bhanaha is karanam. So therefore, sadakatamam karanam. That karaka which is most useful in accomplishing the action. Ramaha bhanena Ravanam Anti. So therefore, our ananam, that is the icha. That is a palam. So samanantaram palam yasya vyaparasya. Samanantaram palam siddhyati. Therefore, tat karanam. He has taken from here. Swavyapara samanantaram eva. Immediately after. Palotpadakam tat karanam palitartaha. Explains that further. Yatha Ramaha Banena Ravanam Anti. Same example. Andatoho artaha Rana Viyoga Rupam Palam. That is Maranam. Tadanukula Kriyacha. So Vyapara. Ananakriyayaha Ashreha Kaha Karta Ramaha. Ataha Saka Karta. Rana Viyoga Rupam Palam Maranam Putra Vartate Ravane. Therefore, Palashayatva Ravanaha Karma. Now, Dhanushaha Mukta Bhanaha, from the Dhanush, the arrow which is released, Gachan Ravanam Vidyati, pierces Ravana, enters Ravana, Pravishati. Samanantaram Palam is what? Prana Viyogaha, Ravane Bhavati. Samanantaram Eva Prana Viyogaha, that is the Palam, Ravane Eva Bhavati. Therefore, Bhanasya Praveshana Vyapara Samanantaram Eva Prana Viyoga Rupam Palam Utpannam. Therefore, Ataha Swavyapara Samanantaram Eva Prana Viyoga Rupa Palotpadakaha Asti iti Banaha Karanam Bhavati. Therefore, Prakrishta Upakarakam Nama Swavyapara Samanantaram Palotpadakam Eva iti Gneyam. That which is the most useful Upakaraka, that tool. Therefore, that is enjoyed. That results in the production of the result. That is the production of the result, intended result. Swavyapara samanantaram. So andatu is pranaviyuha rupam tadanukula kriya. So that kriya vyapara. Vyapara samanantaram phala utpadakasya utpadane yat karakam sadakatamam bhavati tasya nama eva karanam iti. So prana viyoga iti palam, that palam samanantaram eva bhavati, that is bhanasya praveshanantaram eva bhavati, therefore bhanasya karanasagya bhavati. Another example, devadattaha parashuna vriksham chinnatti. Chidir dhatu, seventh conjugation, pratama purusha ekavanam, ekavacham, chinnatti, then chinti, chindanti. Chiddhatoho artha vidarana rupa palam, splitting. Tadanukula kriyacha. Kriyayaha ashraya devadattaha, then vidarana rupa palam, kutra vartate vrikshe asti. So kartuhu ipsitatamam karma. So vidarana rupam palam, that ishtva karta karmani pravartate, and palasya ashreha vrikshaha. Palashrayatva vrikshaha, therefore karma. Now devadattaha astabhyam parashum, that is a vyapara. Tadanukula kriya is there. Astabhyam parashum upari nitva, having lifted the parashu, then adaha patayati, that is a kriya. Adaha patayati. Anekashaha upari nayana adaha patana, lifting up and down the parashu. Patana vyapara samanantaram eva, by this vyapara samanantaram, immediately after this vyapara, then what is a palam, which is palam palasya ashya karma, therefore karmani eva palam vartate, therefore vrikshe vidara rupam palam utpannam bhavati. Vrikshe vidara rupa palam bhavati, utpanna palam bhavati. So samanantaram palam bhavati. Atra parashahu swavyapara samanantaram eva vidarna rupa palotpadaka bhavati. The palam is in the vriksha, but the palam implies there must be a vyapara. Immediately after the vyapara, only the palam happens, results. Therefore, parashahu is the karanam. The karta, he handles the karanam. The vyapara, in the vyapara, parashu is involved. Therefore, swavyapara samanantarameva. Swavyapara is kartuhu vyapara samanantarameva vidharna rupa pala padakaha bhavati. Therefore, parashahu is karanam. Balaha padabhyam griham gacchati. Now, gam dhatoho Uttara Pradesh Sanyogaha, Purva Desha Tyagaha, Uttara Pradesh Sanyogaha, Tadanukula Kriyacha, Kriyayaha, Ashreha Karta, that is Balaha here, Sanyoga Rupam Palam Grihe Asti. Now, Palashayatvat Graham Karma, now Balaha, Padav Udriya, Nikshapati, lifting and placing, the feet, that is the Vyapara. Now, anekashaha uddharana nikshepana vyapara samanantarameva, by repeatedly lifting and placing the leg, that is the vyapara. Samanantarameva, he reaches the grihe sanyoga rupa palam utpannam bhavati utpannaha. Therefore, padav swavyapara samanantarameva sanyoga rupa pala utpadakau staha. So, pala utpadakau staha padav. Therefore, in the pada only, the pada only is the pala utpadakaha. Therefore, padav karanam bhavati. Sanyoga rupa pala utpadakaha utpadakau padav. Similarly here also, vidana rupa pala utpadakaha parashu. Swavyapara samanantaram. After the series of the action, vyapara, ashraya, then the palam is produced. Pala utpadakaha kaha. Tasya nama karanam. So yes, sanyoga rupa pala utpadakau padau. Previous example, vidarana rupa pala utpadakaha parashuhu. Similarly, here Ramaha, here it is Prana Viyoga Rupa Pala Utpadakaha Banaha. Banaha is which involves Swavyapara Samanantaram Eva Prana Viyoga Pala Utpadakaha Bhavati. Therefore, Banasya Karna Singya. Understand? Therefore, Vyaparasya Samanantaram Eva Pala Utpadakam Bhavati. Yes, that's why he has given the definition like that. Yasya Vyaparasya Samanantaram Eva Palam Siddhyati Tat Karma Bhavati. Same examples. Therefore, Pada Yoga Karana Singya. Here also, Pada Balakaha Pada Abhyam Gramam Gachati. Same example. Then Sampradhanam. Karmana Yam Avipraiti Saha Sampradhanam. Karmana Yam Avipraiti Saha Sampradhanam. It is Pashtam Eva. Karmana Sambandhum Yam Avipraiti. Ichati. Avipraiti. How the word Avipraiti is derived? Abhipurvaka Dhatu is Abhiprapurvaka. What Dhatu? Ingato, right?
Okay.
Abhi prapurvaka ingato plus ti. Then pra plus in plus ti, what will happen? Eti. Pra plus eti,
Vriddhi Sandhi.
Vriddhi Sandhi. Eti, edati, utsu. Remember?
It's
By that. Otherwise, what will happen? Engi pararupam will apply. Upasarga ending with a when followed by yeng. Engi pararupam. Remember? Once upon a time, we saw all those things. No? Abhi
yes.
here it is. Vriddhi, eti, edati, utsu will apply. Indatoho Rupam beginning with the A. Then when the Upasarga with the Purva Shabda ending with A, then Vriddhi will happen. This is an Apavada to Yengi Pararup. Anyway, Abhipraiti means Ichati Ityartaha. Karmana Sambandhum Yam Abhipraiti. By Karma Sambandhum to connect Yam Abhipraiti, what the Karta desires, that gets a Sanya Sampradhanam. Like Deya Dravya Uddesham. Deya Dravya Uddesham Sampradhanam iti Tatparyartaha. Deya Dravyam. Deya Dravyodesham. Dravya Uddesham. Dravya anything that is given. Kamprati. Tasya Sanya Karma Sampradhanam. Pita Modakam Balaya Dadati. Dadha Tvartaha. Dadati. Astado Sthana Rupam Palam. Astado Stapana Rupam Palam. Sorry. Tadanukula Kriya. Dadati means gives. Gives means he places it on the hand. And the Anukula Kriya. Dana Kriya Yaha Ashreha Karta. Pita. Sthana Rupam Palam. What does he give? Sthana Rupam. Stapana Rupam Palam. Stapana, not Sthana. He places. Stapana Rupam Palam. Modake. That is what is given. Stapana Rupa Palam Modake Vartate. Modaka, therefore karma. Now, karma bhutena, that which is karma, tena, modakena, karma, pita, kam sambandhum avipraiti ichati. What does he desire to, what he wants to connect the karma? कर्मभूतेन मोदकेन बालं सम्बन्धम् अभिप्रैति इच्छति. So by karma, it desires to connect the bala. That is, karma is intended for the bala, the boy. Balam sambandham abhipreti. Ataha bala sampradhanam bhavati. Karma bhutam vastu yam adhigacchati. We can simple, we can take like that. Karma goes to whom? That's why you say recipient of the result of action. Yam adhigacchati saha sampradhanam. Atra karma bhutam vastu modakaha balakam adhigacchati. It reaches the boy. That's why abhipreti, sambandham abhipreti. Ataha balaha sampradhanam. Yatava Khandikopadhyayaha Shishyaya Chapetam Dadati. What is Chapeta? Slap. That is also given. That's also Dadati. What is Chapeta? Chapeta, I think slap
Slap.
only. Slap only. So Dada Tvartaha Sanyoga Rupam Palam. Tadanukula Kriya, Tadanukula Vyaparascha. Kriyayaha Shreha Khandikopadhyayaha Karta. Khandika is the section of maybe the Veda or something. So that one who teaches. It's called Kandika Upadhyayaha. Chapeta Nama Prasruta Karatalam. And the Karatala, the palm is expanded. And the Sayyoga Rupa Palam, Chapeta Nama Prasruta Karatalam, and Sayyoga Rupa Palam, Kutavartate Chapetayam. Therefore, Chapeta, it gives Chapeta. So Chapeta Karma Bhavati. Chapetam Dadati. So Karma Bhutaya Chapetaya Kam Sambandham Avipriti Ichati Karta Kandikopadhyayaha. By Karma. Karma Bhutaya Chapetaya Shishyam Abhisambandham Avipriti Ichati Karta. Everything is centered to Karta only. Okay. That's why Karta is primary Karaka. It is independent, primary Karaka. Without Karta, there cannot be any other Karakas. No Kriya is possible, in fact, without Karta. That is why Karta is primary Karaka. Karma Bhutaya Chapeta Shishyam Abhisambandham Ichati Abhipreti. Ataha Shishya is Sampradhanam. Chapeta is intended for whom? To whom he wants to connect the Karta? To the Shishya. Therefore, Shishya will get a Sanya Sampradhana. Karma Bhuta Chapeta, which is the Karma, Shishyam Kalu Adhigacchati, goes to Shishya alone. Therefore, Ataha Saha Sampradhanam. Similarly, Chaitraha Rajakaya Vastram Dadati. Thathatvartaha Adinikaranam. What is Adinikaranam? Tadanukula Kriyacha. Adinikaranam meaning Adi is the Upasarga. Adi is the Upasarga. Then Adi, it is Dirga. Adinikaranam. So I think it must be
Making somebody to adhina, swadhina, who is responsible for that? Who owns that?
Rajakaya Vastram Dadati. Okay. Adi Ni plus Karana. How the word is derived, I'm just thinking. Okay. I have to check anyway. Is it Adi Purvaka or Adi is one word? I don't know. We can check. Adi Ni Karana Rupam. Okay, I'll see later.
Adhina he has given.
Uh,
Paratantraha paradhinaha paravan paravan nathava. Adhina.
maybe from Adina would have come Adina. Adina is
Yeah.
dependency. Paradina,
Yeah.
Swadhina, we say.
Yeah.
So Adini Karanam, I think Adini Karanam is Chi Dhatu. Abhuta Tadbhave Chi. That which is not Adina becomes Adina. Maybe possible. Abhuta Tadbhave Chi Pratyaya. Like Shukli Karoti, Shukli Karanam we say. Shuklaha, Shuklam Bhavati. Anadinaha, Adinaha Bhavati. We say Adini Karanam. You can say like that. Okay. Let us read and maybe Chi Artha. Dha Tvartaha Adini Karanam. Abhuta Tadbhave Chi maybe. Tadanukula Kriyacha. Kriyayaha Shreka Chaitraha Karta. So Kriyayaha Shakutra Vartate Kartari, therefore Karta. Adini Karna Rupa Palam Vartate Vastre. Ataha Vastram Karma. Karmabhutena Vastrena Kam Sambandham Avipreti. Rajakam Sambandham Avipreti. Therefore Rajaka Sampradhanam. Karmabhutam Vastram Rajakam Kalu Adhigachati. Therefore Rajakaha Sampradhanam. Okay.
Adhigataha inaha swami anena. Vyutpatti for adhina is adhigataha inaha swami anena.
Adhigataha inaha. Okay. Adhigataha inaha. Okay. Inam then what? I have to check what is that. Okay. I'll find out what is that. Inaha, what is the meaning of inaha then? Adhigataha inaha.
Indhatoho maybe. Adhigataha.
Indhatoho, no.
Not dhatu, pratyaya, no?
In is a dhatu is in gatau. Adini karanam.
Aswatantra, ashrita.
Okay. So Adini, that which is not Adina becomes Adina. That is seems to be proper. Anyway, I'll find out. Adini. Adini karna rupa palam vartate vastram. Palam vastre vartate. Okay. Just the exact English word for that. I'll see. Then Raja Vipraya Gam Dadati. Dhada Tvartaha Swatva Nivritti Purvaka Para Swatva Aropadam. Swatva Nivritti Purvaka Para Swatva Aropadam. So Swa is one's own. Another Swa is money, Dhanam.
Yeah.
That's how we have to take it. Swaswatva. Dhanasya. Swaswatva nivritti. Money goes from you to Paratva. Paraha Svatva Aroparam. It is given to the other person. So Ga is also his wealth only.
Yeah.
Swasvatva nivritti purvakam. Giving up the money, and when the money reaches the other person, paraha, parasya, parasvatva aropanam. Tadanakula kriyacha. This is the definition of dana. It's all Nyaya language, looks like. Language of Nyaya. Dana kriyayaha ashreha raja karta swasvatva nivritti purvaka parasvatva aropanam kutra vartate gavi. Gavi in the cow. So ataha gau karma. Karma bhutaya gava. Through the karma, raja. Kam sambandham avipraiti. Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear?
Then some dragging is there.
Yes.
Not clear.
I know. Yes. Now is all right.
Now okay.
Okay. Karma bhutaya gava. Kam sambandham avipraiti raja. Vipram abhisambandham avipraiti. Vipra. Vipra is the wise person. Ataha vipraha sampradhanam. Karma bhuta gauhu. Gauhu what vibhakti? Pratama vibhakti only. Okay. Vipram kalu adhikachati. Gauhu vipram prati adhikachati. Gau goes to the vipra. So vipra is the recipient of the karma. Gau. Therefore, vipra gets a sanya sampradhanam. Then apadhanam. Apadhanam did we read? We have to read, no?
Adhikaranam we have to.
Oh, adhikaranam we have to read. Up to apadhanam we did. Okay. Dhruvam apaye apadhanam. So, Swamiji used to quote this sutra for the Brahma is Dhruvam. From this Jagat has come. Vivarta upadana karanam. So Brahma doesn't undergo any change. Without undergoing any change, there is a apadanam of this Jagat. The word Dhruvam, the word indicates Brahma. Dhruvam apaye apadhanam. Brahma is Dhruvam. Kutastha Chaitanyam also we say. It just being what it is, it stands from apaye. From this, the Jagat is thrown. That is manifest. Jagat is superimposed on the Adhisthana. On the Adhisthana, on the Adhara, Brahma. So Jagat is superimposed on Brahma. So therefore, Adhisthana has to be Dhruvam. Yata Sarpaha aropayati Rajjo. Rajjo is Adhishthanam. Dhruvam. Sarpa is aropayati. Aropanam. So in that context, he quotes this sutra. Our sutra also conveys that Vedantic artha. Apayaha means Vishleshaha, separation. Dhruvam is Avadibhutam. That which is Avadibhutam means stationary. That which remains. Avadibhutam. Okay. So, okay, then. Vishleshe sadhye avadibhutam karakam apadanam syatiti sutrartaha. So avadibhutam karakam vitabhavati tasya apadana sanya. Avadi also means limit, border. Avadi, we say. Vibhagashraya apadana bhavati palitartaha. So vibhagashraya, vibhaga separation. The separation as its ashraya in which something is separated. Yatha parnam vrikshat patati. Now what is patati? Paddatoho artaha. Paddatoho artaha ado deshe. Ado deshe sanyoga rupa palam falls on the ground. No, it is sanyoga rupa palam. Becomes one joined with the falls on the Sanyoga Rupa Palam connects with the floor, the ground. Sanyoga Rupa Palam. Sanyoga means contact. The palam falls and now it has contact with the adodesha on the ground. Tadanukula kriya is a vyapara. So patana kriyayaha ashreha parnam karta bhavati kartru. Parnam is kartru, napumsakalinga, that's why kartru, kartru, kartrani, kartrani. Avadibhutaha, avadibhutaha, vivaha ashreha is vrikshaha. From what it is, the separation happens. So vrikshaha, ataha vrikshaha is apadanam. यत्र अपादानस्य प्रसक्तिः तत्र द्वयोः संयुक्तयोः विवाहः भवेतेव. There will be separation of two things. यथा अत्र संयुक्तयोः वृक्षपर्णयोः विवाहः जातः अस्ति. That vriksha and parna which are together now they are separated. That is the meaning. So विवाहः आशयः यत्र भवति, अवधिभूतः विवाहः आशयः यत्र भवति सः apadhanam sa apadhanam iti. Then vivagah vrikshe parne cha asti. Vivaha, where is there no separation? Vrikshe, this is a nice thing here. Discussion. I think this we saw in the book of Ashtadhyayi Pravesha. Vivaha separation, where it is, from how you look upon. From vriksha, parna is separated. So parna goes away from the vriksha, moves towards the ground. Similarly, vriksha also moves away from the relative motion. So therefore, vibhaga kutra asti, vrikshe parne cha asti. In both it is there. Vibhagasya dvinishtatvat. Vibhaga has got nishta in both. Ashraya in both. Nishta means ashraya. अतः पर्णमपि विवाह आश्रयः एव इति अतः पर्णमपि कुतः अपादानं न भवति इति शंका जायते. Now there arises a doubt. Why not we say parnam is the vivaha ashrayah? Therefore, why not we give the sanya apadanam to parna? Why we say vrikshat parnam patati? Why give the vivaha ashraya to vriksha? Tatra idam samadhanam. This is a samadhana answer for that. What is the answer? Parnam yata vibhaga ashrayah तथा पतन क्रियायाः आश्रयः अपि पतन क्रियायाः आश्रयः पर्णम and also vivaha ashraya also parnam. Now you understand, already we have seen what is the reason. Patana kriyayaha ashraya kutra bhavati. Patana, who is the kriya ashrayaha? Karta. Swatantraha karta. Where is apadanam? Apadanam is Putrasti Apadana Sutram. Duram Apaya Apadanam in the beginning we read.
Yeah.
So
1,
now
4, 24.
1, 4, 24 and 1, 4, 54. 1, 4, 54 Kartra Sanya. 1, 4, 24 Apadana Sanya. Both Sanyas can be given to Parna. Now, which chapter we are in? Akadarat Eka Sanya. Only one Sanya is possible. You see the application now of this. Therefore, what Sanya is given to Parna?
Akadarat Eka Sanya.
By that, what Sanya? Karta eva. Karta. Kartra Sanya eva. So for Vibhaga Shayatvat, Parnam Apadana Sanyakam, Patanakriya Shayatvat, Karta Sanyakam Api. So therefore Sanya Doyam Asti, Parnasya. Therefore, but Karaka is in Akadarat Eka Sanya. Therefore, Ekasi eva Doyoga Prasakto, Parasanya eva Kartavya. By what sutra? Vipradishede Param Karyam. Therefore, Ashtadhyayam Apadara Sanyayaha 1, 4, 24 Drumapaya Padanam Apekshaya. From that, Karta Sanya is Parabhavati. Karta Sanya Sutra is Swatantraha Karta Parabhavati. Therefore, Parnasya Karta Sanya Eva. if Parnasya Katra Sanya is given, then what is left out is Vriksha, which will get the Vivaha Shreyaha, therefore Apadana Sanya. Atra Pramanam, what is the Pramanam? Sutram Vitpratishede Param Karyam. Iti Sutra. Already we saw this, right?
Yes, Jay. It is.
Yatava Krishnaha Gokulat Agachati. Here also same. Agachati is Agamana Kriya Shreyaha. Kutra Vartate Kriya Shreyaha, not Ashramaha. Agamana Kriya Shreyaha Karta. Then then what is it? Sayukta Yoga. Krishna Gokula Yoga. Yeah. Sayukta Yoga, Krishna Gokula Yoga. Krishna se Agamanena Vibaha Jataha. Krishna in the Gokula before. Sayukta Yoga, Krishna Gokula Yoga. Now Krishna se Agamanena, because Krishna comes, therefore Vibaha, separation happens, is born. Tada Avadibhutaha. Avadibhutaha, from that is a limit, boundary, or the place, that is Vivaha Shreha Gokulam Bhavati, from where, that is from where the separation happened, that's why Avadibhutaha. Therefore Gokulam Apadana Sanyam Prapnoti. Therefore Gokulat Krishna will enjoy Kartu Sanya, Natu Apadana Sanya Paratvat Viprachide Parankaryam. Remember, Pantaha, next example, Pantaha, traveler, Parvatat Avarohati. Avarohana Kriya Shreha Pantaha Karta. Sanyukta Yogo, he was in the mountain. It comes down. Panta Parvat Yogo Avarohanena Vibaha Jataha. Vibaha Shreha Kaha Parvata. Tasya Sampradana Sanya. Sorry, Apadana Sanya. Therefore Apadanatvat Panchami Parvatat. Similarly, Khagaha Vriksha Dayate. Dayana Kriyayaha Shreha Kaha Karta. Purvam Sanyukta Yogo Kakara Vriksha Yogo. Dayanena, because of flying, there is Vibhaga, there is separation. Therefore, Avadibhutaha Vibhaga Shreha Vrikshaha Eva Tasyas Apadana Sanya. Apadaratvat Panchami. Therefore, Vrikshat Khagaha Vrikshat Dayate iti. Up to that. Now, Adhikaranam. What is Adhikaranam? Adaraha Adhikaranam, that is a sutra. Kartuhu karma, it can be Adara, could be for either for Karta or Karma. We have seen example before. Adaraha, that Adhishtanam, Adaraha, the locus, either can be for the Karta. Suppose Karta eats in the dining hall, for example. Therefore, the dining hall, the Karta eats. The locus of Karta, the locus where the Karta is, dining hall. Suppose the person eats rice, which is in the plate. He eats rice. Rice is a karma. But where is the location? What is the location of rice? In the plate. Karta is not in the plate. Rice, karma is in the plate. Therefore, plate is the adhikarana. With regard to karma, understand? Therefore, adaraha can be either from the perspective of karta or karma, possible. So, kartuhu karmanaha adaraha adhikaranam. Tadyata, example. Balaha kate upavishati. So, Balaha upavishati, akarmaka dhatuhu. Upaveshana kriyayaha ashrayaha vyaparashrayaha karta. Balaha. Tasya adaraha. What is the locus of the bala? Kataha. Therefore, tasya sanya adhikarana sanya. Tasya adhikarana sanya bhavati. Adhikaranatvat saptami vibhakti. Adaraha adhikaranam saptami vibhakti. Now, pachakaha patre odanam pachati. Pachana kriya is there. Pachaka kriyayaha ashreha kutra vartate pachake. Therefore, pachakaha karta karma kartuhu ipsitatamam karma pachati vikliti rupam palam sambandham ishyamanaha avipraiti karta. Therefore, odanam is karma. Now, karmanaha odanasya ashreha what? Patram. Where is the odanam? In the patra. Not pachaka. Odanam, the karma is in the patra. Therefore, Karmanaha Adaraha here. Previous example, Kartuhu Adaraha, here Karmanaha Adaraha. Therefore, Karmanaha, karma which is Odana, Odanasya, Ashreha, Patran, Ataha, Patrasya, Adhikarana Sanya. Understand? First example, Karta, Kartuhu Adaraha. Second example, Karmanaha Adaraha. Locus of Karta, that is Adhikaranam. Now locus of Karma. More example. Chatrasya Patane Icha Asti. So, Icha Asti. Vyaparasya Ashreha. Icha. Chatrasya Patane Icha Asti. Which is Karta here in the sentence? Which is Karta?
Icha.
Icha is the Karta subject. Subject need not be always Chetana. Can be Achetana, it can be anything. That which is in Pratama Vibhakti, that is a subject, that is a Karta. So therefore here we have to say Vyaparasya Ashreha Icha only. Icha is the Vyaparasya Ashreha. Desire. So Vyaparasya Ashreha.
Icha is Strilinga, therefore Kartri. Yes.
Therefore is a Kartri. Yes. Right. Ichayaha Adaraha Kutra Vartate Vishetvena Patanam. Patane Vartate. So Patana is Adhikarana. Chatra, of course, it is no Chatrasya, it is Sambandha, not a Karaka. So Patane Icha Asti. It is Vishya Saptami, in fact, we say. Yeah, that's what is given also. Vaishika Saptami, you see. Therefore, Tasmat Saptami Vivakti Bhavati. So, the Adhikaran we have seen three types. One is Vishleshaha, contact. Other one is Vaishika Saptami. Other one is Abhivyapaka. I give three examples. The oil which is in the seed, it pervades the entire seed. Taile, Tila, Taile, that is Tile Tailaha Asti, right? That oil pervades the entire seed, Tila. Abhivyapaka. Vyapara, one type is Abhivyapaka. Other one is this, the contact, that is locus. Other one is Vaishika Saptami. Three types we saw. Vyapar, I think in the table I have given three types of Adhikaranam. Vyaparaha, Abhivyapaka, Vaishika. Other one is what is the other one? The first one is Vishlesha. I think so. That is the locus. The locus where it is. Three types of Adhara. Yes. Upashleshika, sorry. Upashlesha. Contact is Upashlesha, not Vishlesha. Vishlesha is separation. Upashlesha. Upashleshika. You see the table, word 5. Now here, Yatra Adaraha Visheha Tadrashat Adhikarnat Parvatamana Saptami Vaishika Saptami iti Vyagriyate. This is called Vishya Saptami. Patane Vishaye. So we interpret. Patane Vishaye Icha Asti Chatrasya Jnane Chadinam Adaraha Visheha Bhavati. Yatra Adaraha Vishaya Tadrashat Adhikarnat Parvatamana Saptami is called Vishaya Saptami or Vaishayika Saptami. Vaishayika Tadita. Okay, therefore three things you are given. Three types of Saptami. One is Upashleshika, that is Balaha Kate Upavishati. Upashleshika. Then Patre Vodanam Pachati, we can say not Abhivyapaka. Here also we have to say because in the Patra Vodana is there Upashleshika. Abhivyapaka he has not given. We can take from our notes. And Vaishika Saptami, Vishya
There's
Saptami.
some disturbances.
Disturbance, Ji. Can't
Okay.
hear.
Not able to hear.
Can you repeat, Ji? Now we can hear.
Yes. So here he has not given the three types of Adhikarana, but in the notes it is there. That's what I said. Okay.
Okay.
Balaha Kate Upavishati is Upashleshika. Abhivyapaka example is not given,
Oh.
but Abhivyapaka you can refer our notes. And Vishaya Saptami is given. That's what I said. See, if you
Okay.
respond, then I will know that you are in connection. One of you says yes, yes, at least you know. Okay, you are in connection. Yeah. That's why. Otherwise, I will keep talking. I don't know whether it is sometimes the power internet is unstable. Sometimes it is stable. If you say yes, yes, that means I know. So this is a three types of Saptami. Adhikarana. Adhikarana Saptami.
Okay.
Aupashleshika 1. Abhivyavaka is good example. Tileshu Tailaha. Sarvasmin Atma Asti. Jale Shaityam Asti. Pushpe Gandhaha. All these are examples for Abhivyapaka. It means here it pervades the entire thing. Adhikaranam pervades the whole. Right? Sakala Avayava Vyapti Kritaha Adaraha. So here Abhivyapa, not just a part. It should be negative. Not just a part. Adhikaranam pervades the whole. Krishna Vyaptihi. Right? Not Ekadesha. If it is Ekadesha, then it will be Aupashleshika. Okay. Abhivyapaka means Sakala. Sakala is entire. Avayava, parts. Vyapti, pervasion. Kritaha. So pervades the entire. Abhivyapaka. Krishna Vyaptihi. That's a nice word. Not just a part. Not just a part. Okay. Not should be there. It's a missing. Vaishayika is Vishaya Saptami.
But
Like,
Sarvasmin Atma Asti
yes.
is a negative. How we
Not
can,
negative. It is there. Abhivyapaka pervades the entire. All people.
Oh.
Abhivyapaka.
Okay.
Atma asti kutra, sarvasmin, sarvatra,
Not just
in all.
part.
Yeah, everywhere. Like Tileshu Taila is a good example.
Okay.
Taila, where is the Taila? Where is the oil in the seed?
Oh.
Pervades the entire seed. So Taila is, internet is unstable. Tell me if you're not able to hear me. The oil pervades, the oil as a locus. Where? What is the locus of the oil?
A whole thing.
Whole thing. That's why Abhivyapaka. Abhivyapaka pervades. Krishna Vyaptihi. Not just a part. Agno Ushnata. Where is Ushnam?
Okay.
The heat in the Agni. Entire. Pushpe Gandhaha. Where is the Gandha?
Okay.
Entire Pushpa. Where is the cold? In the Jala. Not part of the Jala. Jale Shaityam Asti. Therefore Abhivyapaka. So three types of Adhikaranas. We saw Adhikarana Saptami, and one of them is Vishaya Saptami. Now, you have to read this and find out what Saptami it is. Purvokta Udaharaneshu Karmakarakam Karnakarakam Ityadibhyaka. Can hear. Okay, I'm
Your
just reading from
voice
here.
is breaking. Not
Okay.
able to.
Can you hear me now? Yes.
So, third one we had to say Vaishayika Adhikarana.
Yeah. So we will read now, and you have to find out which
Vishaya Saptami we have to.
Vishaya Saptami. What's that?
Can you explain Vishaya Saptami again? The other two we could follow.
Vishaya Saptami is example here. Chatrasya Patane Icha Asti. Patane is what? Saptami. Was it Saptami, first of all, right? Icha Yaha Adhikaranam. What is the Adhikaranam of Icha?
Yeah.
Patana. Is it Aupashleshika?
Patanam.
No. Ichayaha Adhikaranam Patanam, right? Ichayaha Adaraha
Yes.
Adhikaranam Patana. Patana, it is Aupashleshika.
Okay.
Does it have the contact? The location is in terms of contact, in terms of no space or time
Oh.
located. No.
Okay. No
What is
contact.
Abhivyapaka? Abhivyapaka is that pervades everything. Therefore, we cannot say this is Aupashleshika or Abhivyapaka. So therefore, what is there? He says, Yatra Adaraha.
Okay.
Vishaya bhavati. Vishaya, some subject matter bhavati. Tadrishat adhikarana Vartamana Saptami, Vaishayika Saptami. Where Adara is Vishaya. Vishaya meaning subject,
Okay.
subject matter. Then the Saptami, which is ordained to the such Vishaya Adara, then gets a Saptami, Vishaya Saptami. If you see the notes, Vishaya Saptami,
Okay.
Patanicha Asti, how do you translate? In reading the Chatra, the student as Icha,
Interest.
right? Desire. In reading, with regard to reading, that's how we translate, with regard to reading. So therefore, translation in English should be like this, in the matter of, with respect to, concerning. A topic or the Vishaya is a conceptual basis. Vishaya meaning the topic. So that is the conceptual basis, Adara. So, Vishaya Sambandhakritaha Adaraha. Here is Patana is the Vishaya, the topic. Right? It is a topic, it is a Vishaya. Which is the Adara. Adara for Icha, right? Adara for the Icha.
Okay.
Icha is the Karta here. Vyaparasya Ashraya Karta. And Icha is neither Upashteshika, like Balaha Kate Upavishati, nor Abhivyapaka, like Tileshu Tailam. Vishayatvat.
Okay.
Therefore, Saptami
Okay.
Vibhakti is called Vishaya Saptami. Such type of Saptami is called Vishaya Saptami. Vaishayika Saptami. Jnana Ichadinam Adaraha. Desire to know, for which the Adara is a Vishaya here. It's a topic here. Therefore, Vishaya Saptami. Vishayaha Asti. So, Vishayaha Adaraha Bhavati. Yatra Vishayaha Adara Bhavati. Tadrishat Parvatamana Saptami. Vaishayika Saptami. Vishaya Saptami. Now, from here I will read. Purvokteshu udahaneshu karmakarakam karnakaraka vityadibhyah karakebhyah ya dvitiyadi vibhaktyaha kritaha taha karaka vibhaktyaha iti katyante. That we know, right? Vibhakti ordained to the karakas is called karaka vibhakti. Karta will take pratama, abhigita karta, right? There is no sutra. What about karma? Karma is anabhigita. Therefore, dvitiya. Anabhigite karmani. Where is it? 2, 3. All are anabhigita only, 2, 3. Abhigita, there is no abhigita. Abhigita is understood. But abhigita will be, whatever is abhigita, that is pratama only. Anabhigite, 2, 3. That is the adhikara sutra. If it is karma, dvitiya. If it is karana, tritiya. Anabhigite, anukte. Ukte is abhigita. Ukte, abhigite will be pratama, whatever may be. Anabhigite will be correspondingly dvitiya, tritiya, chaturthi, whatever the karaka accordingly. Now we are seeing only karaka vibhakti. Upapada vibhakti is not yet seen, but we have seen already in the notes is there.
Yeah.
Karaka sanyam avalambya ya vibhakti ki pravartate. That is called karaka vibhakti. Avalambya means support, dependence. So ya vibhakti, the vibhakti which is ordained depending on the karaka sanya, that is called karaka vibhakti. Now abhyasa let us do. Then only I can hear you, whether you hearing or not. Okay. Simha dash vasati. What is the answer?
Simha Aranye
Aranye
Vasati.
Vasati.
Kidrishi Saptami now. Adhara Adhikaranam you know. Adhikaranam Saptami you know. What Adhikaranam is that? 3 types of Adhikaranam is so. Aupashleshika,
Aupashleshika.
Abhivyapaka, Vaishayika. 3. Please see your notes very clearly. Examples are given. Which Saptami is this?
Upashleshika.
Aupashleshika. It's a particular locus. Who is, and it's a locus of whom? Karta or karma? Karta only, right? Simha, that is kartuhu. Adaraha, aranyam, right? Where is karma here? Karma is there? Possible? No.
No karma.
Karma not possible. Vasdhatu is akarmaka. But if you have adi, then?
Then karma.
Then karma. Then adi purvaka vasdhatu. Then intransitive verb will get karma also, right? Adivasati. Aranyam adivasati.
Yeah.
Please note. Simha aranyam adivasati. Simha aranye vasati. Now next one. Maheshaha dash upavishati. Basyanam.
Basyani.
What type of adhikarana? Upashleshika, abhivyapaka, prashayika.
Upashleshika.
You understand? Simple. Upashleshika, upashlesha. There is a particular locus, position, right? Upashlesha. Location is there in terms of space or in terms of time also. Here in terms of space, Basayanam. Rava dash patati.
Rama Shalayam
Shale patati.
Shalayam. Okay, Shala is Strilinga.
Srilinga.
Vidyalaye you can say. Shalayam, otherwise Patashalayam. What Saptami? What Adhikara Saptami? Aupashleshika only. Nateshaha Adhyapayati. Teachers.
Vidyalaye.
Same. Aupashleshika. Palani dash santi.
Vrikshe.
We can, depending on the context. Pervades the entire vriksha possible. Why not? Huh?
Yeah.
We say no, the tree is full of fruits. You don't see the leaves at all, only fruits. Possible. Huh? Then Abhivyapaka. But context. No, next one. Jalam dash vartate.
Gate vartate.
What's Saptami? Aupashleshika. Not Abhivyapaka. Huh?
That also we can say full of pot full.
But pot, the wall of the pot is there, right? In the wall of the pot, we don't have water, right? It is only in the space of the pot. Therefore, we cannot say. Okay.
The Tailaha also, it's in the vessel only, no?
Yeah.
Tailaha?
The
The oil is in the
vessel.
seed. Where in the seed? Pervades the entire seed. Tileshu Tailaha, the oil is there in the entire seed. Which part of the seed has got oil, can you say? You cannot say. Tileshu Tailaha.
Tilaha in some part or something it is there, then we can tell. But here
here we cannot say. But in the gata, it is not like that. Inside the pot only is there, not in the walls of the pot, right? Therefore, Upashleshika. Bala dash Dvichakarikam Chalayati.
Pidangani.
That is
Upashleshika.
Upashleshika. Pachika dash Jalam Ushni Karoti. Jalam is in the patra. Now here, what adhikarana is that? I mean, for which adhikarana? Pachika or Jalam? Jalam is in the water. Right? Karmanaha adhikaranam patra. Right? Not Pachika. Not Pachika is sitting in the patram. Jalam is in the patram. You can see the example. All the other examples were Kartuhu Adaraha. Here, Karmanaha Adaraha. Upashleshika only. Patram, the water in the vessel. Not in the inside, not in the walls of the vessel. I mean, the walls have got some thickness, no? Doesn't pervade. The water doesn't pervade that. Therefore, not Abhivyapaka. Just Upashleshika. Umayaha Gitasya dash Asaktihi Pravartate. Now, what's Saptami?
Shravane.
Shravana is the Vishaya.
Vishaya
Vishaya
Saptami.
Saptami.
Okay.
In listening the song, Gitasya, Mayaha is Asakti. She has Asakti, love, desire. Right? Devaha dash asti. Now here,
Here
This is
Abhivyapaka.
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 what is Saptami? Sarveshu.
Sarveshu.
Or Sarvasmin, whatever it is.
Sarvasmin.
Sarvasmin.
That is
Sarvasmin.
Sarvam
Abhivyapaka.
ekavachana, sarvasmin we can tell, no?
Yeah, you can see Sarvasmin. Asti. Eshu shlokeshu vidyamanam adhikarana padam kartrapadam tat sambandha kriya padam cha likata. Karagre vasate Lakshmi. Karamadye Saraswati. Karamule to Sita Gauri. Prabhate Karadarshanam. Vidyamanam adhikarana padam kartrapadam tat sambandha kriya padam cha also. Vasate, is it Atmanepadi dhatu? No. Vasati, right?
Yeah.
Arsha Prayoga. Maybe some,
Okay.
this must be written by Vyasacharya, someone. That's why Vasate. Otherwise, Vasati only. Karagre Vasati Lakshmi, right?
Yeah.
Karasya Agre.
Mm.
What? That is Saptami, right? Adhikaranam. Karasya Agraha, Karagraha, Tasmin Karagre. Karta is, who is there?
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi.
What type, what Adhikaranam is that?
Vidyapaka.
Aupashlesh.
Apashleshika. Karagre Lakshmi hi Vasati. Karamadye Saraswati.
Saraswati is
Saraswati Varma.
Saraswati lives. Where?
Karamadhi.
Karamadhi.
Aupashleshi.
Again,
Aupashlesh.
same. Karamule Gauri Stita. Stita is Ishta Pratyaya. Stita. Ushita. Same. Same thing.
Same.
Upashlesh.
And Prabhate is in the morning.
In the
In the morning.
Kala Adhikaranam it is.
Oh,
All other things are all Desha Adhikaranam, right?
okay.
Karagre Desha, Karamadye Desha, Karamule Desha. Adhikaranam can be either Kala or Desha, right?
Okay.
This is
So
Prabhate
it
is
tells the time.
Yeah. Aupashleshika Kala Adhikaranam we can say. In the morning. It's a particular thing, Aupashleshika. And in the time also is Kala Adhikaranam. Karadarshanam. Karadarshanam Uchitam Bhavati. You have to supply, right? Seeing the Kara in the morning is good. Okay, next one. Agno Kriyavatam Devaha. Dividevo Manishinam. Pratimas Swalpa Buddhinam. Yoginam Hridaye Arihi.
Agnav is the adhikarana.
Agnav, okay. Kriyavatam is one who has got Kriyavat.
Yeah.
Kriyavan.
Yeah.
Kriyavan Devaha Kutra Asti. Agnav,
Agni.
right? Kriyavan Devaha Agnav. In the Agni. In the Agni where? You cannot say. You have to say Abhivyapaka.
Abhivyapaka.
Sarvavya.
Abhivyapaka.
Abhivya.
In the Agni. Kriyavatam. Kriyavatam, what vibhakti?
Shashti. No. It's
Shashti.
the,
Shashti only. Kriyavatam, right?
okay.
Kriyavan, Kriyavanto, Kriyavantaha. Kriyavantam, Kriyavanto, Kriyavataha. Shashti will be Kriyavataha, Kriyavataho, Kriyavata. The one who has Kriya. Right? Kriyavatam Devaha Agnav Asti. And Divi Devaha Manishinam is,
Divi is
Is lamp.
see,
Sky.
for those who has Kriya, for them Devaha Agnav Asti. And Devaha Asti Kutra Manishinam. Manishinam means we can say for the wise people.
Oh, okay.
Devaha informed people. Devaha Kutra Asti Divi. So
Like
Divi is
lamp.
Aupashleshika.
Sky, heaven.
Heaven, whatever it is. Swarga, whatever it is. Swarga Loke, Asati, Devaha, right? Pratima Swalpa Buddhi now. Pratima is, you have to compound it. Pratimayam Swalpa Buddhi we can take. Like that also we can take. Anyway. Swalpa buddhina means alpa buddhina. Devaka kutra asti. Only in the murti, only in the form. But he has not given Pratimayam. But Pratimayam is the
Pratimasu, he has to give it.
Pratimayam or Pratimasu. Yeah. Actually, sorry. That's
Pratimasu
what it is. Yeah,
Alpabuddhi.
Kshamita. That is what is. I thought it's Swalpa buddhina too. Pratimasu alpa buddhina. But Swalpa also the word is there, no?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, sorry. It's correct. Pratimasu alpa buddhina. Pratimasu is
The Vigraha. So that is the Saptami
Abhivyapaka.
Abhivyapaka, Upashleshika or Avashya.
Aupashleshika.
So only in the Pratima is there. Alpa buddhina for the small-minded people. What about yogina?
Yoginam Kriti.
Harihi.
Abhivyapaka. We can take.
Abhivyapaka. It pervades the entire heart. You can take, right? Harihi Hridaye Yoginam. For yogis, see, translate the yoginam as not of yogis. For yogis, Hari is in the Hridaya. Okay. Then Smartavya Amshaha. Yat Kriyaya Anveti Sambandham
Tatkar.
Karoti Tat Karakam. Karakani Shat Karta Karma Karana Sampradana Padana Adhikarana. So we know now thoroughly, you know what Karaka Sutram also. Dhatoha Arthadvayamast. Palam Vyaparaha. Palasya Ashreha Karma Vyaparasya Ashreha Karta. When Karta and Pala, when Vyapara and Pala have the same Adhikaranam, same locus, then the Dhatu is Akarmaka. If it is Vyadhikaranam, then the Dhatu is Sakarmaka, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Vyaparasya Ashreha Karta. Karma is Palashrayam Karma. You can say Palashrayam, you say Palashrayaha. It's okay. Prachadi Dhatu Nam Prayoge Karnadi Nam Va Karma
Karma
Sanya.
Sanya.
What is this Prachadi Dhatu Nam Prayoge?
Dvikarmika. Dvikarmika dhatu.
Oh.
Yes, that's what he says here. Very good. Prachadhatu is Vikarmaka Dhatu. Prachati, you have two karma, right?
Yeah.
So Prachadi Dhatu Nam Prayoge, that Vikarmaka Dhatu Akatitam Cha Avivakshitam. Then Karanadinam, Karana, etc. Not Karana only, Karana, Sampradana, etc. will get Karma Sanya. Akarmaka Dhatu Nam Prayoge, Kalavachaka Nam Karma Sanya. What is
Karma
that?
Sanya.
Vartika is there?
Gati Buddhi.
Not that one. Not that one.
Akarmaka dhatu.
Akarmaka Dhatu, like Kala, we saw.
Oh, Kala
Kalavachaka. One
Dvamsa.
Vartika is there.
Kalvachaka shabdaha karma.
No,
Yeah, here
some
itself it is
sutra
given.
is there, no?
Vartika is there. Not Sutra. Kaladvano Atyanta Sanyoge, not that one.
Kaladvanoho.
That is not, it says here. Here we have Vartika 1-4.
1451, I think.
Yeah, one Vartika. It's there in our table also. You can see that. Kaladvanaha. That is that.
Kaladvanoho.
So 1451,
Oh, this is
19.
1-3. Yeah. Yes. Akarmaka Dhatu Big Yogi, Deshaha Kalaha, Bhavaha, Gantavyaha, Advacha, Karma iti Vacham. This is what he is referring to.
Okay, Akachitam Chale Vartika.
Yes.
Vartika.
It's there in the table also. The table it is there in the Sutra, Akatitam Cha, but Vartikam maybe it's slightly different. It's okay. Same thing only.
You're given 19th point, I think.
Yes.
19, 19, huh?
19.
Okay. Yeah. This is what is there in the Sutra Pata. Deshakala Dagantavyaha Karma Sanyahi Akarmanam. That's what he says. Huh? Okay. Then now this is one is Gati Buddhi. Gatyartha Kanam Dhatunam Prayake Anoyaha Karta Tasya No Karma Sanya. That Gati Buddhi Pratyasanartha. 1452, right? Just check it. Adi Purvaka Stadatoho. We have one sutra. Adi, no?
Yes.
What is sutra? Adipur sadhatoho, adipurga vastatoho cha prayoge adharasya karma sanya. Right.
Ashwasati.
Yes, adishin.
Addition is the Assam karma.
Assam karma.
1446.
1444. Yes. That's the way.
46.
Yeah.
अति पूर्व उपन्व्या उप
That is, yeah.
आदि
Upa,
पश्चात्
here, adipurvaka. Adishing stasam karma.
Assam karma.
and 48 also adi purvaha vastadu.
Vastatu is, sir. Yes, that also. So both are, yes, saying in one line. Yes, Vastatu also is says, right? Yes. Adipur Vastat. Yasya Vyaparasya Samanantaram Param Siddhyati Tat Karanam. Immediately after Vyaparasya Param Siddhyati, Yasya for which the Param Siddhyati Tat Karanam Bhavati. Sampradhanam is Deya Dravya Uddeshyam Sampradhanam. Dravya which is given to Uddesham, Yamprati, to whom it is given, Uddeshya, intended. That is Sampradana. Then Ruchidhato also we saw. Ruchidhatoho prayoge, what is Sutra? Ruchyarthanam priyavanaha, right? Ruchidhatoho prayoge prityashreha Sampradanam. The one who has got priti will enjoy love for it. Therefore, subject karta will not be in Pratama, it will be in Chaturthi. Sampradana Sangya. Then Krodhyarthanam Dhatunam Prayoga Yam Prati Kopaha Tasya Sampradana Sangya. Where is that? Yam Prati Kopaha,
Krudhyati.
which is here. Yam Prati Kopaha 37:14. Krudha Druha Irshya Asuyarthanam Yam Prati Kopaha. Right? Okay. Vibhagascha Vibhaga Shreha Padanam Dromapaya Padanam. And that could be Kartuhu Karma Adaraha Adhikaranam. And Adhikaranam, Adha Adhikaranam, which are 3 types of Adhikaranam here. Yes, up to that it is done. So Karaka Vibhaktayaha, I think we can read this. Okay, up to this we'll read. And Anabhigite is starting Vibhakti, Upapada Vibhakti or Vibhakti, that we will see. Now this one quickly we can read. Karta Karma Karanam Ityadi Sanyaha Kada Bhavanti Iti Uktam Tebhyaha Pradhanyena Ka Vibhakti Bhavanti Iti Api Uktam Tebhyaha Karakebhyaha Anyaha Api Vibhaktaya Bhavanti. That also Uktam Kasmat Karakat Ka Vibhaktayaha Bhavanti Iti Asmin Chitre Vartate. Karta can be in what Vibhakti? Abhigita Karta will be in Pratama, right?
Pratama,
And
yeah.
when it will be Tritiya?
Karmani.
Karmani. By what sutra?
Kartru.
Kartrukaranayo Tritiya.
Yeah.
And when it will be Shashti? Krudyoge Shashti. We saw in the case in Samasa also we saw, right? When Krud and when Krudyoge, when Krudanta is there, then Karta will take Shashti, Kartari Shashti, remember?
Kartari Shashti.
The Ubhaya Prapto, then Karma will take Shashti, that also we saw. 2-3 section it is there, Shashti. Kartari Shashti, Karmani Shashti. Now Karma, when it will be Pratama? Abhigita Karma. When it Karma is Abhigitam? Karmani.
Karmani Prayoge.
Then when Karma will be in Dvitiya?
Kartari Prayoga.
Kartari Prayoge.
Anabhigite Karmani Dvitiya Sat Sutram. Shashti, same. Krudyoge Shashti. When it will be Chaturthi, Karma will be in Chaturthi.
Akatitam.
Akatitam cha.
Akatitam cha.
That is Chaturthi. Chaturthi is also a sample, huh? Okay. Then Karanam. Karanam will be Tritiya. Why? What is Karana Sangya? Sadhakatamam Karanam.
Sadhakatamam Karanam.
How it is Tritiya?
Kartrukarane.
Yes, very good.
No.
Katrukaranayo
Karneto
Tritiya.
Tritiya.
Sampradhanam. Sampradhanam is Karmana Yam Avipratisa Sampradhanam. Sampradhanam will be Anabhigita Sampradhanam Chaturthi. That's what it is. Apadhanam, Adaraha Apadhanam, and Anabhigita Apadhanam Panchami. Similarly, Adhikanam, Anabhigita Adhikanam Saptami, and when it will be Dvitiya, Adipurvaka.
Adipati.
Adivasati, etc. we saw, right? Now what sutra is it? Adi, that's what we saw.
Yeah.
What is that? Adi, 1440,
6.
6,
And 48.
46 and 48.
48. And Akatitam
48,
Chak also you can say.
Adhishing
Yeah.
stasa
Hmm.
karma.
Shatsu karakeshu adhikaranakarakad vibhakti dvayam kartrakarakad vibhakti trayam karmakarakad vibhakti chatushtayam cha vartate. Kada etaha vibhakteha kartavyaha iti janivaha. Shatsu karakeshu adhikaranakarakad vibhakti dvayam. Right? Two Saptami and Dvitiya possible. Saptami just now we saw. Dvitiya is by the two sutra, 45 and 48, something you said, no? The same. And Kartakaraka 3 vibhakti, Karmakaraka vibhakti chatushtayam vartate. Now, etaha vibhaktayaha kartavyaha iti janivaha. That we will see next class. And here also, Adhikaranam we will read in the next class. You can read Adhikaranam. This is very simple only. What is Adhikaranam here? Adharah Adhikaran, Kartri Karma Dwara, Tanishta Kriyayaha Adharah Karakam, Adhikaran Sangyakam Bhavati. Kartari Vidyavana Kriyayaha Karmani Vidyavana Palastyava Adharah, Adhikaran Sangyakaha Bhavati Ityartaha. Now, example you see, Kartanishta Kriyayaha Udaharanam, where Karta is the Adhikaranam. Nishta means Adhikaranam, Adharaha. Bale Valaha Kate Upavishati. Now, here it is Upasarga Purvaka Vishdatoho Artaha Yatikinchit Desha Sanyoga Rupa Palam. There is a Sanyoga Rupa Palam asti Desha. Tadarukula Kriya. Upaveshana Kriyayaha Shreha Balaha Karta. Bale Vidyamanaya Kriyayaha Adaraha Kataha. Therefore, Kataha is the Adara from the standpoint of the Karta. Kartuhu Adaraha Kataha Adaraha Adhikaranatvat Saptami. Similarly, Karmanishtayaha, Karmanishta Kriyayaha Udaharanam. That's also we saw. Udaha, Odanam Stalyam Pachati. He cooks in the cooker. Pachdato Hartaha Kim Vikliti Rupa Palam, Tadanukula Kriya. Paka Kriyayaha Ashreha Kaha Karta. Vikliti Rupa Pala Ashreha Odara Karma. The Karma Bhute Odare Vartamanasya Vikliti Rupasya Palasya Adaraha Kaha Stali. Right? Therefore, Stali is Adhikaranam. Karma Adhikaranam. Balaha Kate Upavishati to Udaharane, Upaveshana Kriya Bale Asti. Ataha Sakshat Kriyayaha Adaraha Balaha Eva. Baladwara Kriyayaha Adaraha Kataha. Sudanaha Otanam Stalyam Pachati to Udaharane, Vikliti Rupa Palam Odane Asti Ataha Sakshat Palasya Adaraha, Odanam Eva, Karma Adaraha, Odanam Eva, Odanadwara Palasya Adaraha Stali. Ataha Sarvatra Paramparaya Kriyayaha Palasya Adaraha Eva. Adhikaranam iti bhavati iti gneyam should be known. Okay. Kartuhu karmanaha adharaha adhikaranam bhavati iti balan uddishya bodhanam varam. Okay. That's the same thing we read. That's it. Okay. Then this all the sutras already we have seen. Ashtadhyayam karaka sanya vidayaka sutranam kravaha itham. Important sutras. Okay. We'll stop here. Anabhigite, that's the topic. We'll see next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. धन्यवादः
धन्यवाद शाजी
धन्यवादः जी
धन्यवाद शारंजी
धन्यवादः
தி ரெமாக்கு வந்து இது இன்டர்நெட்
நெட் இல்லையா நெட் ஓகே
couldn't
Rest.
join ஹாட்ஸ்பாட் உங்க அக்கா இல்லைன்னு சொல்ல சொன்னாங்க ஓகே ధన్యవాదాలు